Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. This video I'm going to talk about the Bank Nifty option trading strategies. And before going to the video, anyone who new to my YouTube channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional kind of trade strategies. Here I'm going to explain you the best option trading strategy which will apply for a expiry basis. That one of the kind of strategy we are going to learn in this video. And those who are already subscribed my channel, I was thankful to you all. Because of you only this was possible. Okay, let's move to the video. What I'm going to talk about today. So Bank Nifty option trading strategies. So a lot of option trading strategy is there. So what I'm going to find out the less riskier trade, and compared to the reward, that is also be the best. So that kind of trade strategies which I'm going to apply here. So here Bank Nifty. So let's show you Bank Nifty. What is the closing price today? It's around 19,701. Let's show you Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty currently closed. Let's wait, it's loading. And anyone who want to open a trading account with me, so every of my YouTube video, so in our description link, so you will find that account opening link and you will get open your trading account with me. And we are I am providing some intraday calls on my Telegram group, so you also join after opening account, so it will be possible to make a regular and consistent profit. Okay, it's site taking slow. The new website NSE India, that is a world website, so it is quite easy to find out all the things. Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty 19,728. So the current market, the closing price about Bank Nifty, it's increased by 400 points today as per the closing price. So what I'm expecting based on the option prices, let's show you the option prices. So option chain, from the option chain I'm going to select my positions and what's risky and everything. I'm going to 23rd April, so tomorrow is expiry. So tomorrow it's going to be expire a contract having less time value, so the premium is going to reduce. So here there will be a lot of strategy, but as per a risk and reward ratio, so we are going to find out the strategy which is long call butterfly. So we will use for a strategy long call butterfly strategy. So butterfly strategy is normally involved for 3 legs or 4 legs. Here we are using for a 3 leg options to give maximum benefit and minimum risk. So what should be the minimum risk? This is the strategy which I have already updated, how the strategy we can build up. So when you read the charts and everything, you will understand. So what I'm going to do in this particular thing, so we are 19,600 call, 19,600 call and 19,300 call. So because it's I'm going to take the with the butterfly with the call options, and 19,900 call. So these are my strike prices which I am taken. So I want to know the prices about the strike price. What is the exact price? You see that 19,600 we are trading 335. The LTP 338. The closing price is around 345 something. 19,600 call option. So we are trading 340 level, and 19,300 we are trading 525, and 19,900 where it is trading 199. So these three strike price which I am going to take. So 338. So this option 19,600 we are trading 338. I'm going to sell this option. Okay, and again, so 19,300 call which I'm going to buy 525 rupees, and again I'm going to buy 19,900 call at 199 or 200 rupees. So these two options I'm going to buy. So if I buy the both the options, almost 724 rupees is my total premium which I bought. My total premium I bought as 724 rupees. Here my sold value is 338. So for a calculative purpose I will make a 340. So if I multiply it by 2 lots, so I'll receive 680 rupees. Okay, so when I received the premium of 680, when I bought the premium of 724, what I'm getting the difference between is around 44 rupees into 20. So if I the lot size of Bank Nifty is 20, so how much I'm going to the difference between that is the premium paid. So 44 into 20, 880 rupees is my maximum risk. Okay, when market going to down, if it is closed in between the range of this particular range 19,330 and to 19,866, if market settle in between this range, I'm going to get the maximum premium of 5,300 rupees as my maximum premium. So this is my range when the market, the exact profit, while I am getting the maximum profit at the market were closed by 19,600 level. If market closed to 19,600 level, I'll be getting the maximum profit of the 5,300 or plus, and maximum risk, either market goes 1000 point down and 1000 point up, I'm going to get the risk of just 800 rupees is my risk. For a 800 rupees taken a risk for a 800, how much I'm going to get the profit? Here this particular trade I'm going to get 5,000 rupees profit. If you compare to the risk and reward ratio, so there will be a good risk reward ratio if you are doing this trade, and what are the margins is required for doing this trade, and what should be the benefit if you are doing this trade. This is the view where I am taking using the call options. So we called a long call butterfly strategy. We sold two lot of options and we bought a higher strike price call and lower strike price call. So let's show you how it would be a profitable and what should be the risk and reward ratio with the some other websites. So we have used this, and we can go for a strategy builder. So let's build a strategy Bank Nifty, and the expiry is tomorrow. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to do options. Strike price is around 19,600. Initially I'm going to sell two lot of call option. The premium which is closed by 345. So I have added. So we seen here 338. So maybe the settlement price and everything we have to check it out. Because here you see that 19,728 is the last trade price, but closing price is different. So last 30 minutes weighted average price, it should be the closing price for the particular index or whatever. So here 19,600 in call option, which I sold two lots. And again what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 19,300 call and 19,900 call. So 19,300 call option, here I'm going to take just one lot buy. So this is the strategy long call butterfly which I have applied 900. That is the strike price which I'm going to take. The minimum risk, which is the 199, that we have already seen, that as a premium. So what should be my payoff and everything? Edit add questions. (23rd April). Two lot of Bank Nifty 19,600 at 345 I have sold, and one lot of option where I was taken. Just a moment, I think, yeah, now it's working. I have added one more again, so let's delete it. So 19,900 call I'm going to buy, and 19,300 call I'm going to buy one lot, and 19,600 call I'm going to sell two lots. That's my strategy. So how much risk which I have, and what should be the profit and everything. So refresh. Yes, perfect. So this are taking time to update. So here you will see the maximum profit which you can earn 5,300 rupees. You see that what you going to get the maximum profit if you do the strategy, and here you simply see that just a moment. Yeah, so this as per my strategy, we try to sell two lot of call sell. It's a least call sell, and one buy, that is 19,300, and another one buy 19,900. So these two options I'm going to buy. So what two options I sold and two options I bought. So what is my maximum probability? That is 5,300, but you see the maximum risk is 680 rupees is my maximum risk, which I'm going to, if my trade closes on the between that range, I'm going to do maximum of profit. So limited risk, unlimited profit, limited profit, but risk reward ratio is more than 700, it's more than 7-8 times, right? So here the range break even for your trades 19,334 and 19,800. So market settle in between the range, you are going to get the profit up to maximum of 5,300, but market moves anywhere above this level, so you are going to get maximum risk is 680 and 60,000 is your margin for this trade. So this kind of trade strategy will provide you minimum risk category, so that always if you are following this kind of trades means a lot of chances to make more profits. And same way we can also add another options like other strategy with the other options. For example, this trade which I done with so 19,600. So even we can try to do with the 19,700 call option, and same time 19,400 call and 20,000 call option. So the same strategy, 2 minus, that means sell, and 1 plus and 1 plus. So this is also be the same kind of strategy, but the different strike prices. Here you the strike prices. So let clear you and another same next year. So here I will show you here. So this is what the strike prices which I have. These are the strike prices: 19,600, 19,300, and 19,900. These are my strike prices which I have taken for a study. Okay, another system which we can use for same we can use for the different strike prices. So to short 19,700, because market is closed by 19,677 level, so sell these two options, and 19,400, these are the call option, and 19,400 call buy, and again call of 20,000 buy. So these are the strategy. So long call butterfly. Okay, for this expiry, tomorrow's expiry, butterfly option trading strategy. Okay, here how you are going to take a risk. The risk for the trade is 996 as per the value which I derived, and profit potential is 484. So when you compare to the risk reward ratio, it's a quite higher risk and reward ratio. And here you can the break even about 19,450 and to 19,950. So here two kind of strategy. Margin required for the trade is 65,000. So if you are intraday, so tomorrow only is the time, so you can apply this trade and you will be the chances to get good profit in this particular kind of trades. And thanks for your time, and you can apply this strategy and get more profit. Thank you very much. Thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.